Countries from around the world sign a convention to set up a global mediation body in Hong Kong, Beijing hoping to create an organization that could rival the International Court of Justice.
刚才32个国家的代表
Just now, representatives of 32 countries signed the convention, making these countries the founding members of the IOMED. High-level representatives of more than 50 other countries and nearly 20 international organizations are also present at the ceremony. We have come here from across the world for a common goal, promoting the peaceful resolution of disputes and advancing friendship and cooperation between countries.
都是为了一个共同的目标，那就是推动和平解决争端。
The International Organization for Mediation could boost China's global influence and help it take a more active role in shaping international rules and governance.